1.4 question number 1 you have already done. So let's start question number 2. Solve the following. Exercise 1.4. Question number 2. Solve the following. Solve the following. Okay, friends. Question number 2A. Divided 3. 81 divided by 3. Okay, students. So we start dividing from right side. Okay, students. So 8 divided by 3. We will take one number from divided. Okay. Here is one number. Divider is one number. So we will take one number from dividend. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 3 ja 9. 9 is more than 8. Yes, 9 is more than 8. So we will take number 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. So we will write here 2 and write here 6. Okay. Now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Now, next digit bring down 1 here. We have number 21. Okay, so 21 divided by 3. 3 7 ja 21. Yes, so 3 7 ja 21. Now we will do subtraction. 21 minus 21, 0. So we get answer remainder 0. We get remainder 0. Okay, student. So we get question 27 with remainder 0. Okay. Answer is 27. Let's solve another division. D. 58 divided by 2. Okay, so 58 divided by 2. Okay, so here is one digit. So we will take one digit from dividend. Okay, so 5 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 और 2 3 ja 6. यदि आगे पढ़ेंगे 2 3 ja 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we will take number 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so we will write here 2 in the quotient place and write here 4. Okay, and we will do subtraction. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, and next digit bring down 8 here. We have number 18. Okay, so 18 divided by 2. Okay, so 2 8 ja 16. 16 is less than 18. Okay, so 2 9 ja 18. Yes, 2 9 ja 18. So 9 right here and 18 here. Now we do subtraction. 80 minus 18, 0. Okay, so what is that answer? क्या है आंसर? 29. Answer is 29 with remainder 0. Okay. Next divide F. स्टूडेंट मैं बीच में से आपको डिवाइड करवा रही हूँ, सीरियल से डिवाइड नहीं करवा रही हूँ. आप ऑनली उसके नंबर पर याद रखें. 91 डिवाइड बाय 7. ओके, सो 91 divided by 7. Okay, so 9 divided by 7. 7 में जा 7. 7 2 जा 14. Yes. तो 14 is greater than 9. Okay. 14 क्या होगा? बड़ा होगा. 14 is greater than 9. So we will take number 7 1 ja 7. Okay. So 1 right here and 7 here. Now we will do subtraction. 9 minus 7 2. Next digit bring down 1. So we have number 21. 21 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7. 7 2 ja 14. 7 3 ja 21. So we will write here 3 in the quotient place and 21 right here. Now we will do subtraction. Next minus 21 minus 21 0. So we get remainder 0. Okay. And we get quotient 30. Answer is 30. Okay student. Note down student in your notebook. Have you written student? Next is H. 96 divided by 6. Okay. So 96 divided by 6. Okay. So 9 divided by 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. Yes. 12 is greater than 9. 12 क्या है? 9 से बड़ा. Okay. So 6 1 ja 6. We will take number 6. So with 6 1 ja, we will write here 1 and write here 6 here. Okay. Now let's do subtraction. 9 minus 6. 6 7 8 9 3. Okay. Next digit bring down 6 here. So we have number 36. 36 divided by 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja 24. 6 5 ja 30. 6 6 ja 36. Here. So 6 right here and 36 right here. Now we will do subtraction. 36 minus 36. So we get remainder 0. Okay. And we get quotient is 16 here. Okay. So answer is 60 with remainder 0. Remainder आपको क्या है? 0. Next. E. K का K 98 divided by 6. Okay. So 98 divided by 6. Okay. So 9 divided by 6. Here is one number. So we will take one digit from dividend. Okay. यहाँ एक नंबर है तो डिविडेंड से भी हम एक ही नंबर लेंगे. Okay. So 9 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7 और 7 2 ja 14. 14 is greater than 9. So 9 1 ja 9. We will take one number 7 1 ja 7. Okay. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 2. And next digit bring down from dividend here 8. So we have number 28. 28 divided by 7. 7 4 ja 28. Yes. So 7 4 ja 28. Then let's do subtraction. 28 minus 28, 0. So we get remainder 0 and we get quotient here 14. Okay, so answer is 14. Answer is 14 with remainder 0. Okay. Next, student, remaining question in your homework. In his homework. Okay. Note down, student. Have you written, student? Let's move on. Exercise 1.5. 1.5. Dividing a 3-digit number by a single-digit number. Dividing a 3-digit number by a single-digit number. Single-digit number. Okay, single-digit number. So exercise 1.5. 1.5. Question number 1. Question number 1. 964 divided by 4. Okay. So 964 divided by 4. Okay. So let's start, student. Look at here, student. 4. Here is 1 digit. So we will take 1 digit from dividend. Okay. So here is 9. So 9 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. And 4 3 ja 12. 12 is more than 9. So we will take 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8. We will write here 2 and write here 8. Now we will do subtraction. 9 minus 8, 1. Next digit, bring down 6 here. So we have number 16. Okay. So 16 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8 and 8 2 ja 6. Sorry. 16 divided by 4. Sorry, student. 16 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16. So 4 right here and 6 right here. 16 right here. So 16 minus 16, 0. Now next digit, bring down 4 here. Okay. 4 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Okay. So we will write 1 here and 4 here. Then subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, student. So we get remainder 0 and we get quotient 241. So answer is 241. Okay, student. Next questions. First step, second step and ये कितने स्टेप्स का किया आपने 3. डिवाइडिंग आ 3 डिजिट नंबर. 3 डिजिट नंबर का है, वाई आ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर। कितने नंबर के द्वारा किया गया है? सिंगल डिजिट के द्वारा किया गया है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 864 डिवाइड बाय 6। ओके, तो 864 डिवाइड बाय 6। ओके, so here is one single digit. Okay, so here we will take one digit from dividend. So here is 8 divided by 6. Okay, so 6 1 जा 6 और 6 2 जा 12. 12 क्या है? More than. So 12 is more than 8. So we will take 6 1 जा 6. Divided number 6 1 जा 6. So we write here 6. Then let's do subtraction. Subtraction 8 minus 6. So we will write here 2. Next digit bring down here 6. So we have 26. 26 divided by 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja 24. और 6 5 ja 30. 30 is more than 26. Yes, बड़ा हो जाएगा। 30 क्या होगा? 26 से बड़ा होगा। ओके, तो 6 4 या 24. We will write here 4 and we write 24 here. Then we will do subtraction. 6 minus 4 do 2 and 2 minus 2 0. Okay, next. Now next digit bring down from dividend 4. Okay, so we have number 24. Okay, 24 divided by 6. 6 4 ja 24. 6 4 ja 24. Now we will do subtraction. 24 minus 24 0. So we get remainder 0 and we get quotient 144. So answer is, our answer is 144. Okay student, next. Next number, question number 4. Question number 4, 904 divided by 8. Okay, 904 divided by 8. Okay, so 9 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. 16 is more than 9. So we will take number 8 1 ja 8. So we write here 1 and write here 8 here. Okay, then now we will subtraction. Now we will do subtraction. 9 minus 8 1. Next, now next digit bring down 0 here. So we have number 10. 10 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. 16 more than 10. 10 से क्या होगा? बड़ा होगा। So 8 1 ja 8. Okay, we will write here 8. Now we do subtraction. 10 minus 8 2. 10 minus 8 2. Now next digit bring down 4 here. So we have number 24. Okay, 8 1 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. 8 3 ja 24. So we will write here 3 and we will write here 24. Now we will do subtraction. 24 minus 24 0. We get remainder 0 and we get quotient 113. So answer is 113. Okay student, please note down student. Have you written student? Next question, question number 3. Why mistake? छूट गया है स्टूडेंट. So question number 3. 875 divided by 5. Okay, so 875 divided by 5. Okay, so we will take one number. Here is one number, so we will take one number from dividend 8. 8 divided by 5. Okay, 5 is 5, 5 to 10. 10 is 10. 10 is greater than 8. Okay, so we will take 5 under 5. We will write here 1 and write here 5. Now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, 3. So we will write here 3. Now next we will bring down 7. So we have number 37. 37 divided by 5. 5 5 ja 25. 5 6 ja 30. 5 7 ja 35. 5 8 ja 40. 40 is more than 37. Okay, so we will take number 5 6 ja 30. 5 7 ja 35. Okay, so 5 7 ja 35. Now we will do subtraction. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. And 3 minus 3, 0. Now next we will bring down 7 here. Okay, sorry student, 5. 5 here. Okay, so we have number 25. 25 divided by 5. 5 5 ja 25. Yes, so 5 5 ja 25. 25 minus 25, 0. Okay, so we get remainder 0 and we get quotient 175. Okay, so answer is 175. Okay, students. Next question number 5. Question number 6. Okay, next 305 divided by 5. Yes, so 305 divided by 5. Student, look at here student. Here is 5. Here is 3. Yes. So 5 is greater than 3. 5 क्या है? बड़ा है 3 से. Okay. So can we divide by 5 by 3? 3 के द्वारा divide नहीं होगा. Okay. So can we divide 2 by 5 by 3? Okay, so 3 cannot be divided by 5. So we will take 2 number from dividend. कितना नंबर लेंगे हम यहाँ से? 2 नंबर लेंगे. Okay, so we will take 2 number from dividend 30. Okay, so 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5. 5 6 ja 30. Okay, so 6 we will write here 6 and here. Okay, 30 we will do subtraction. 30 minus 30, 0. And next digit bring down 5 here. Then 5 divided by 5 banja 5. Okay student, 5 minus 5, 0. So we get answer 0. We get remainder 0 and we get quotient 61. 61. Our answer is 61. Okay student. Next homework. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next exercise 1.6. Next exercise 1.6, division with remainder. Division with a remainder. Okay, division with a remainder. Exercise 1.6. Question number 1, solve the following. Question number 1. Question number 1, 43 divided by 7. Okay, 43 divided by 7. So 43 divided by 7. Yes, 7 is greater. 7 क्या है? बड़ा. 7 is greater than 4. So can we divide? Can we divide 4 by 7? क्या कर सकते हैं? 4 by 7 can we divide? No, we cannot. 4 cannot be divided by 7. Okay, 4 we cannot divide by 7. 4 का डिवाइड 7 के द्वारा नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so we will take 2 digits from dividend. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 2 डिजिट हम डिविडेंड से लेंगे. तो 2 डिजिट क्या है हमारी? 43 डिवाइड बाय 7. ओके, तो 7 से क्या? 42 और 7 से भी क्या? 49 क्या होगा? बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो 7 से क्या? 42. Okay, now we do subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1 and 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, so we get remainder 1 and we get quotient 6. Okay, so our answer is 6 remainder and 1 quotient with 1 quotient. Okay, quotient 6 and remainder 1. Sorry student, remainder 1. Okay, 6 quotient, remainder 1. Next, question number 3. 61 divided by 8. Okay, so 61 divided by 8. Okay, so can we divide by 6? Can we divide 6 by 8? क्या हो सकता है? नहीं. So 6 cannot be divided by 8. 6 cannot be divided by 8. So we take 2 number from division. Okay, so 61 divided by 8. Okay, 8 5 जा 40, 8 6 जा 48. Okay, 8 7 जा 56, 8 8 जा 64. 64 greater than 61. Okay, 8 7 जा 56, 8 7 जा 56. Okay friend, now we will do subtraction. Okay, so here is 1. 1 is less than 7. So we cannot subtraction. So we can 1 one carry, we will borrow from 6 digit. So here is 5, we will become 5, and here we will become 11. Okay, 11 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will write here 5. Okay, next 5 minus 5, 0. So we will get answer remainder 5, and we get quotient 7. Okay, so answer quotient is 7 and 5 remainder, and 5 remainder. Okay, note down students. Have you written it, student? Student, homework note down. Today's homework is exercise 1.4 questions B, C, D and JK, J and K. Exercise 1.5 9, 8 to 12. Question 8 to 12. Okay, student.